Our video will introduce SCM-PDS3 pattern data reading. When you see this window in your PD pattern tool, select serial port, and then select baud rate. Enter your address. Click Connect button to connect the device. Now, you can choose AA, TEV, or UHF to view PD pattern data. To view TEV PD pattern, just select TEV and click Start. Click Stop to stop the current reading first, then select the required parameter and click Start to reading. Stop first, and then click Export to Excel file button to export a detailed partial discharge data. To know more or get our PD pattern tool, please click Contact Us.